Yes, properly applied door reinforcement methods can often restore strength to doors that have been previously damaged by kick-ins and make them safe and functional again. Start by assessing the full extent of damage to the door, jamb, and surrounding framing, because a superficial fix will fail if the structural studs are compromised. For split or cracked jambs, remove loose material and fit steel repair plates that span the full damaged area and anchor into solid framing. Use plates at least 1/8 inch thick and pre-drill holes to prevent further splitting. Replace short strike and hinge screws with at least 3-inch screws that penetrate into the framing, and tighten or replace stripped hinge screws with longer ones or through bolt fasteners to transfer load into the studs. For doors with severe face or edge damage, install a steel edge reinforcement or a full wrap plate that covers the latch area and the lock mortise. Then fit a bar-style security device or a secondary reinforcement lock that braces against the floor or opposite frame to resist levering forces. If the frame itself is fractured, sister the stud by screwing or bolting a new timber or steel plate along the damaged stud, and then anchor the repaired jamb back to that member. Use carriage bolts or structural screws where possible for lasting strength. After structural repairs, restore weather strip and check door swing so the hardware is not under preload, and test by applying steady force using a heavy shoulder push to ensure the combined repairs hold before relying on the door for security. Common mistakes include using only cosmetic fixes that do not anchor into framing, which you can avoid by always running fasteners at least 3 inches into studs. Another is relying solely on standard length screws or thin strike plates. So upgrade to longer screws and thicker plates and test pull-out strength. A third is not reinforcing both hinge and strike sides, which leaves a weak point, so always address hinges, strike, and jam together and add a secondary bar or lock if the original lock is compromised. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare work options related to door repair and reinforcement. And we also help contractors find jobs and connect with homeowners looking for restoration services. We host a discussion community where we and other members share techniques, ask questions, and post before and after experiences to help people choose the right repair approach.